Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we've got a nice product to make you ice. When you need ice convenient, like for a motor home or something like that, or you don't have an ice maker in your refrigerator, the VEVOR Countertop Ice Maker can make 9 ice cubes in 6 minutes and 33 pounds of ice in 24 hours. So this can handle most all your needs for ice. And it's actually a little refrigerator. It's got a compressor in it, so it actually freezes ice much quicker than you can in a tray in the refrigerator. So let's see what we get here. You get the ice making countertop machine. You get a scoop to scoop out the ice cubes. They're not cubes, they're round bullets, that's what they describe them as, and you'll see them shortly. You also get the basket. When this basket is full, the machine will shut off, so it will not keep running. You don't have to hook a water line to it. You pour water into it up to a certain point. We're going to show you a level, and then it will make ice until that water is gone, and then it says add water, or the other is ice full. So if this gets full, the ice full mark will come on, meaning you have to dump this. You most likely are going to have 3 more of these that you can make. That's about how much water is in there. Okay, you get a user manual, and with any compressor, when it's been shipped, the box got upside down. You do not want to just plug this in when you get it. You need to let it sit for about 24 hours on a level place, and then you do not turn this over anymore. If it ever does get turned over for whatever reason, you want to let it sit before you turn it on. So it'd be a good idea to read through the user manual and get familiar with these little tips that are going to be very crucial to keeping the ice maker working to peak performance. And there is getting to know your unit. It's describing everything, showing you inside, and then operating procedures and maintenance. And right here are a panel right here, operational panel, and there's 2 buttons here. One is off and on, the other is select. The off and on is just going to turn the unit on and off and allow the compressor to work and make ice. The select button is going to select either small or large ice cubes. I call them ice cubes, but they're ice bullets. They're round. They look just like a bullet. Is a auto, and this might be the first thing you want to do. They tell you to clean this all out, but don't use any harsh cleaners. Just a rag and clean it out, and it describes in here cleaning. But here is the automatic self-cleaning program, and the way you do it is you hit the on and off, you push it, and you hold it for 5 seconds. Normally you just turn it on and it will go. I'm just going to turn this power on. Now, all it is, I haven't selected, yep, large is on, and there is small. It's going to try to clean, so it's going to try to make ice. So I just turned it off because we're not ready. We don't have water in there. So first thing is got to put some water in. Now, you're going to have water in there. One of the things, you do not want to turn this over to dump the water out. You don't have to. Inside, you'll see a place that you can drain. Right here is the drain. Right there, it's a plug. This is the inlet that pulls water in, and that's a filter. It'll come off if you need to clean it. It just lifts right up. Clean it, then stick it right back on, and we would pull that plug, which is right there, right here. You just pull that down and it'll allow the water to drain out. So you just pull it over the counter, put something under it, and you can drain the water out. So that keeps you from having to turn the unit over. And while it's not working, you can see the 9 ice making spouts right there. We're going to make some ice. Here's the water and the level. There's a maximum. You don't want to pour it any higher than this point right there, and it says maximum level right there. Okay, I've got 2 quarts of water and I'm going to watch it, and I just pour it right in. And you want good household clean water, and watch your level going in. This is a 2-quart container and it looks like it's going to hold 2 quarts. That's it. That's how much you hold. So it's full right now. Now put this in here, and now I can close this up. We've got it plugged in. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to select the level I want small. So I turn it on, select, small is selected right now. It lit up, and you're going to see it start to operate. This little tray comes out. Now, after a little bit, you'll hear the compressor come on, so now it's ready to make ice. And the power light is on and small is on. So I'm going to get the small ice cube. There's the ice cubes. And they dropped into the first hopper. And now the scoop is bringing them over. And there they are. Now that'll go back down and start making another. All right, we're gonna come back when this is totally full and shuts off due to fill. Okay, I just changed it up to large. We're gonna see what the large shows right now. Here we go. Now this is a large ice cube, and I'm gonna we're going to see at the end what we get when this is all full. There you're getting to see the, it looks a little bigger. All right. We'll come back when this gets to the ready to do the last dump for full. All right, let's watch and see if this does it. Ah, right there. See, those ice cubes right there are causing that. So now it's full. Now you see what happens when the basket gets full. It shuts it off, and it doesn't make any more ice until you empty the basket. And then while you have this in this configuration, it'll start making ice again. Now that's the large ice cubes. You get a little funnel here, or a little shovel, and there you go. We'll get a little water in it, and this is your glass or beverage right there. And now it's going to start making ice again to fill that back up. But right there is your ice cubes, large. Ice when you want it or need it. This will keep making it and make up to 32 pounds in a 24-hour period. So I think it's going to work great. Keeps it nice and cold. All right, folks, I hope this has helped. I want to thank you for watching my video.